In my previous video, sinabi ko ang Infinix Note 12 G96 is a total game changer. Pananong palalo for gaming, but this time around, itong next smartphone na papakita ko sa inyo would totally change my mind. Having a better processor, having a bigger screen, even at a more affordable price. And best of all, it is even better or at par sa gaming compared to the Infinix Note 12 G96. Want to know more about this smartphone? Keep watching this video. So hi guys, ako pa mo ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So right now, I'll be showing you 4 games na nilaro ko dito sa smartphone na ito before ko i-reveal sa inyo kung ano nga bang smartphone to pinag-uusapan ko. First of all, we'll be playing the Call of Duty Mobile, then susundan natin ng Tower of Fantasy, then Asphalt 9, as well as kanyang ka-collaborate na game si Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Panoorin niyo yung game. And you guessed it right, it's indeed the TECNO POVA 4. Kayo mga marites na panood na sa ibang channel ha. Bad. So right now, start off muna natin with a quick unboxing nitong TECNO POVA 4. So kita natin, it's equipped with a NFC dito based sa kanyang box. And kita natin ang kanyang mga quick specs. Buksan natin. Pati kanyang wrapper, meron naka-print. Hilahin muna natin. Uy, ganda na ng phone na this time around. Kita natin na andito kanyang camera module. Then, ang cut niya dito, no? Ang ganda. I mean, this is probably the first time na nakakita ko ng ganun, no? It's a very uniquely crafted na design. And I really like it. And of course, kita natin, no? May cut siya dito. May cut siya dito. And pag hinawakan mo siya sa likod, it's just simple one back case. Hindi siya yung may, may umbok dito. It's a illusion dito na makikita mo. And ang galing na gumawa nito, guys. And grabe, gustong-gusto ko talagang design na ito. And how ko right now is the Cryolite Blue and there's other 2 colors na pwede nang pagpilian. Lava Orange and Uranolith Gray. Tignan muna natin other things inside the box. User guide, extended warranty, jelly case. Medyo makapal siya, no? Try natin kabit. Ganito itsura niya pag kinabit mo ang case. So, medyo hindi mo na masyado mapapansin ang ganda ng kanyang color sa likod dahil medyo may pagka-translucent siya. No? Hindi siya 100% transparent. And on the side, makita natin, frosted na siya. Kanyang 18 watts na fast charger, SIM ejector pin, headset, and of course, ang kanyang Type-C cable. Yun lang. Focus tayo. So, quick phone tour muna tayo, guys. Sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, kanyang audio jack still here. On the other side, ang kanyang volume rocker and of course, power button / fingerprint scanner. Ting sa ibabaw. Sa kabilang side, the SIM tray. Tunutin mo natin, hila. So, yeah, kita natin it's a triple card slot, 2 nano SIM na 4G plus isang micro SD expansion. Sa likod, ang kanyang 50MP na dual camera setup. And ang kanyang harap is a 8MP na front-facing camera na punch hole. And at this price point, I can say that this phone is the only one na napansin ko sporting a punch hole. And the rest of the gang, pag ganitong presyo, mapapansin mo, it's a teardrop notch. Kaya good job on that, Tecno. So on a day-to-day use, swiping left and right, smooth siya dahil sa kanyang 90Hz of screen refresh rate. And this one is having a IPS LCD na 6.82 inch na meron siyang screen-to-body ratio na 85%. It's quite big. And pansin ko no, na ang kanyang bezel sa sides is not too thick. And of course, sa ibabaw, katamtaman lang. And sa ilalim, medyo makapal nga lang konti ang kanyang baba. Watching my favorite shows on YouTube, okay, I was able to enjoy it dahil ang laki ng kanyang display at 6.82, having a 90Hz of screen refresh rate, is that it does matter kasi gumaganda ang viewing experience mo dito sa phone na ito. And given na it's an IPS LCD, hindi siya AMOLED. Well, honestly, yung kanyang display panel is quite good. I wouldn't say na it's at par sa AMOLED display, but at least it's giving you yung okay na experience watching videos dito sa phone na ito. So, browsing through my social media sa Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, sa Instagram, smooth na smooth dahil sa kanyang 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Okay na okay. And so another great thing na meron dito sa phone na ito is that it has 5 gigs of RAM extended. So in addition to 8 gigs of RAM na meron na dito, mabibigyan ka pa ng 5 additions. So that's a total of 13 gigs of RAM. So maparamdaman mo siya dito pag ginamit mo siya ang mga gamings dito sa game space. And definitely mafe-feel mo, especially when you're playing a little bit more graphics intense na games dito sa phone na ito. Mararamdaman mo talaga yan, guys. Now, itong phone na ito is having a MediaTek Helio G99. It's a good chipset and na-try na natin sa ibang mga phones natin na it can really perform. And upon checking Antutu benchmark, it was able to secure 365,000 points dito sa benchmarking. And of course, breaking it down, kita natin, these are the scores na nakuha niya. Let's run some tests at 3D Mark. So if ganito ang score na nakuha mo dito sa 3D Mark test, I believe that this phone can really game. Nakita niyo naman kanina, di ba? And talking about gaming, guys, this phone can really perform pagdating sa gaming. And I was able to play 4 different titles dito sa phone na ito on a 3 hours straight. Well, honestly, madalo ko lang gawin yan no, sa mga phones like this. But si TECNO POVA 4 keeps me playing. And pansin ko na habang naglalaro ako, so we start off with Call of Duty Mobile, then sinundan natin ng Tower of Fantasy, then of course, nag-try din tayo ng racing game, Asphalt 9, as well as yung kanyang ka-collab na game, which is Mobile Legends Bang Bang, which would provide you a better experience ito sa POVA 4. All 4 games, I was able to play it smoothly. But of course, there are some minor frame drops along the way, hindi naman natin maiwasan. And it was able to respond naman ng kanyang screen, smooth na smooth naman ang transition. And of course, there are just a little bit of minor heating dito sa likod na napansin ko along the way pa naglalaro ka ng intense games no, for 3 straight hours. But of course, hindi naman siya ganun ka sobrang kainitan. Tama lang naman, hindi siya nakakapaso. So roughly nasa 42 degrees Celsius. So if you want to cool it down a little bit faster, you can always use any kind of cooler pang smartphones. Now, while playing the game, saka ko lang napansin na it has dual stereo. Yung isa nakatago dito sa earpiece, no? and the other is dito sa ilalim. And playing the game, I was able to enjoy ang lakas sa kanyang sound. And it's being tuned by DTS. And by the way guys, this sound is definitely superb. I wouldn't say na sobrang lakas siya, but it's good enough for me to enjoy it. Yung tipong pag sinagad mo sa maximum, hindi basag ang audio. And pag naglalaro kayo sa loob ng maliit na kwarto, it can fill the room with sounds. Definitely it's good. Listening to music on Spotify, YouTube Music, or even playing games. Panalo. But of course, if you're not contented with the sounds, you can always use your favorite headphones or Bluetooth TWS. And good news guys, sa phone na ito, the audio jack is still present. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito even has a hard gyroscope na naka-equip. Definitely, it's giving you a better experience using this phone, lalo sa gaming. Now, itong phone na ito having a massive battery, 6,000 mAh of battery, and it can fast charge 18 watts. Now, tinry naman natin mag-charge from 10 to 100 and it took me roughly around near 3 hours to complete the task. And of course, using it on a day-to-day basis, I can say na yung battery niya matagal. It can last me for almost roughly 2 days. Kaya niya magtagal nito. I can say na ang battery nito definitely is makunat. And one thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is even though na malaki ang kanyang battery at 6,000, TECNO was able to pack in it inside this sobrang sleek na phone. And I was really loving it. Now, usapang camera naman tayo guys. Itong sa likod niya, it has a 50MP na main camera lens and of course the other one is a AI or probably a depth sensor. Sa harap, it has a 8MP na front selfie shooter and of course, as usual, nilabas naman natin itong phone na ito, outdoors, chinek naman natin all of the different shots na pwede natin makuha. I was able to take in some nice shots outdoors and quite nice even though na medyo maulap. I was still able to take in some of these nice shots dito sa TECNO POVA 4 while outdoors. And checking other outdoor shots, I can say this phone can definitely perform as long as maganda nga ng lighting sa labas, okay na okay ang mga shots dito sa camera niya. Now, taking it a step further, I was able to take in some also equally nice shots, though hindi naman super nice, but for me, it's more of an average shots dito sa indoor. Taking some low light shots like this one, I can say okay siya, legitly good. And some a little bit more darker shots, okay din naman siya. And I was able to take in some of these crazy shots sa loob ng grocery dahil mag-Halloween na. So marami tayong nakikitang pumpkin. It's really nice. And well, sharp naman mga photos na nakuha ko dito. So tinry naman natin ang video using the front-facing camera. Probably this is the resolution that you'll be getting if you use it for Zoom meetings or for vlogging or for just simply video chat. Ganito resolution. Check this out. So guys, if you're using the TECNO POVA 4 for vlogging or just simply using it for Zoom conferencing or just simply a video call, this is the quality that you'll be getting and the resolution you'll be getting using the front-facing camera. And of course, the voice is also recording using the default microphone. What do you think? Comment on the comment section below. Now, after playing with this phone, I can say na definitely it has changed my mind over do sa Infinix Note 12. Before, I believed that that phone was really a bang for buck at 8,999. Right now, this phone is being priced at 7,999, having a better processor, a bigger screen, and mas makunat na battery. All of those, I mean, okay, panalo-panalo na to. Plus, ang gaming niya is as good as that one or a little bit better dahil better ang kanyang chipset. For me, the better price plus yung kanyang dot drop notch was the difference maker dito sa phone na ito. That's why I can say that si POVA 4, for me right now, is the best bang for buck na gaming phone that you can buy for 2022. Of course, guys, don't forget to check out yung super brand day sa Shopee on November 8 and 9. Exclusive discounts and freebies awaits you. And of course, some teaser, there are other POVA phones that will be coming out pretty soon sa November. And it's the POVA 4 Pro and the POVA Neo 2, which will be coming up. I hope na ma-review din natin yan sa ating channel. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And also do follow me on TikTok and on Facebook para sa ibang mga updates dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?